Nuan from Nuet. I'm a control engineer and I work for Sasol. Sasol is a multinational petrochemical company. Our primary business is petrol. We had an outdated SCADA system. We had a lot of reliability issues building up to this project. We had some hardware failures and some software failures. We struggled to diagnose the problems. We struggled to find spare parts. We have limited spares availability. And the system still conforms to very old best practices. So we went from Citect version 6.10 to version 8.1. It's now, we're doing central deployment. We now have a change management system in place. We have one place where we can make all our backups from. We've implemented the new Citect SCADA. We incorporated a lot of the new industry buzzwords, things like ASM, abnormal situation management, meaning we've improved on the colors, we've improved on efficiency, we've improved on alarms. We've put in place a very well-rounded engineering solution for the guys. We're seeing a great improvement in response time from our operators. We have a lot less alarm flooding. We now have all the alarms that are on the page that are ever displayed are actually meaningful alarms to the guys. We find the guys can respond to a problem in a much more efficient way and know exactly what to do. We have built a more efficient menu structure. So basically the navigation, it follows now the process flow of the plant. It's a very clean and neat solution we've put on the table. Our biggest learning we found was the people factor. We spent a lot of time with our operators. They gave us a vast amount of knowledge. And between us and them, we managed to find a compromise of what the system is capable of doing and what they are looking for. And we implemented that into an engineering solution for the guys.